Chengdu J-20, a single-seat, multirole stealth fighter aircraft. The Chengdu J-20 is manufactured by Chengdu Aircraft Industry Group (CAIG) of China. It is a fifth-generation aircraft, being built for the People's Liberation Army Air Force (PLAAF). Its NATO reporting name is Black Eagle. 2 prototypes were developed in November 2010 for aerial and ground testing. Potential customers of the J-20 are Pakistan, the Middle East, Latin America, Southeast Asia, and African countries. Chengdu J-20 design. The J-20 is designed to execute ground attack missions. Even in hostile environments, the aircraft can reach higher altitudes with its delta wings and supersonic speeds. It is larger than Sukhoi T-50 and Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor. The front portion of the prototype looks similar to the F-22 Raptor, and the rear section looks like a Sukhoi T-50. J-20 development. China chose not to participate in the joint development of fifth-generation aircraft by Russia and India, as Russia was seen to be more profitable with the Chinese participation. In an effort to build a fifth-generation aircraft as competitor to the Russian aircraft, CAIG started the development of the J-20 in late 1990 under the J-20 program, also referred as Project 718. The J-20 program depicts the development of fourth and fifth generation aircraft. CAIG was selected as the prime contractor for the program in August 2008. The high-speed testing of the aircraft was conducted in December 2010. The maiden flight was completed in January 2011. In August 2011, Russia-based MiG denied media speculations of providing its stealth technology to China for Chengdu J-20 fighter aircraft. China is the third nation to manufacture and execute the flight test of J-20 demonstrator. Following the US and Russia, the Chinese J-20 is expected to enter service between 2018 and 2020. Once operational, the J-20 will supersede Su-27, Su-30, and Su-30 Mk2 aircraft. J-20 features. The J-20 will feature a blended fuselage with low radar cross-section, low jet engine intakes, canard delta configuration, modern fly-by-wire system, diverterless supersonic inlet, V-shaped tail and tail fins. The FBW system is equipped with a fire control system and engine management system. The active electronically scanned array, AESA radar, will scan the target information and transmit it to the fire control system. Cockpit. The J-20 will feature a glass cockpit enclosed with a bubble-shaped canopy. The cockpit will be fitted with 2 liquid crystal displays, LCD, and a head-up display, HUD. The aircraft can be operated through traditional hands-on throttle and stick system. Armament. The J-20 will be armed with internal cannon for close-range combat missions. It will comprise 8 hardpoints and a large belly weapon bay to incorporate long-range PL-12 and PL-21 air-to-air missiles. The aircraft will also be equipped with 2 small lateral weapon bays beneath the air inlets to integrate PL-10 short-range AWM. It is also expected to be equipped with air-to-surface missiles, anti-radiation missiles, laser-guided bombs, and drop bombs. Engines. The J-20 prototype is powered by Saturn 117S engines supplied by Russia. Each engine produces 32,000 pounds of thrust. The production aircraft will be powered by 2 WS-10G thrust vectoring turbofan engines, each generating 30,000 pounds of thrust. The engine is being designed and manufactured by Shenyang Liming Aircraft Engine Company. It will feature a single high-pressure turbine, dual low-pressure turbine, annular combustors and compressors. The WS-10G will be fitted with thrust vector-controlled TVC nozzle to decrease radar cross-section and infrared emissions. The diameter of the engine is 0.95 meters. The dry weight is 1,500 kilograms. Landing gear. The aircraft will be fitted with a tricycle-type landing gear, comprising a single-wheeled nose gear leg and 2 single-wheeled main gear legs. The nose gear will draw back into the cockpit floor upon takeoff, while the main gear retract forward into the fuselage section. Performance. The J-20 can climb at the rate of 304 meters per second. The maximum speed will be 2,100 kilometers per hour. The range and service ceiling will be 3,400 kilometers and 18,000 meters respectively. Thanks for watching.